everyone. This is Neil John and welcome to my vlog. And it's 5 in the morning. And I wake up so early just to have this exercise. So get ready with me. So and I'm going to start my session.
Every day parating we're together every week. Palaging may sleepover. Ang tawag niya sa mami ko ay tita. Bakit ba di ko nun nakita until out of the blue? Ang feeling so true. Bigla na lang sinabi sa akin that this guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. Bading na bading sa'yo. Di na ako makasagot ng telepono. Palagi niyang kinakausap ang parents ko. Kulang daw sa tulog at di na makakain. Bakit ba di pa nun inamin until out of the blue? I'm feeling so true. Bigla na lang sinabi sa akin that this guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. Bading na bading sa'yo. Everyday daw ay rainy day on Monday, cause di na ko maaya to come out and play. Tinataguan na nga, palaging late o absent. Ang sabi pa rin, I'll always have a friend that you can depend on. Di kailangan naman parang talong at bago
And everyone, nakapagkita tayo ng 144 kilometers. Ang bawing to total yun dun sa first batch, tangin ako kanina. So, before I go home, the thing that I will do muna is to rest and cool down. Because don't forget, that is the best or the most important thing. The warm up, the cool down. Again, this is Resident German from BSc 1, Block 2. And this is my performance task. Performance-based exam in PED 032. 031 rather. Bye. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching.